Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
The term hiccups refers to the sudden, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle, technically known as synchronous diaphragmatic flutter, SDF, or singultus. These contractions cause a quick intake of air that is suddenly stopped by the closure of the vocal cords, resulting in the characteristic hic sound.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.